just wanted to share with you my LRP that was at my doorstep when I got home from running errands. If you've seen my posts, I had like the worst weekend ever. Well, I say worst. Good weekend because it could have gone so much worse. My little daughter got into an ant pile at her school field trip on Friday and went into anaphylactic shock, so we went to the ER and it was crazy. And I didn't have like every oil I normally have on me. But anyway, long story short, copaiba and frankincense under the tongue and my piece diffused and inhaled and everything was like my saving grace. I loved it so much. But anyway, so my girls and I just got back from the pediatrician's office. She's doing okay and everything is fine, but we got back and my doTERRA box was on my doorstep. So what a happy thing to come home to. So I want to unbox it and show you guys everything I got. Let's see. So first of all, yes, this is the Lifelong Vitality Pack. So I started taking this in September. I am terrible about taking vitamins every single day, twice a day. So some days I've only taken it once a day, but I'm really loving these new supplements. The Alpha CRS Plus, the E Omega, and the Microplex. I'm just loving these. So I'm out of them. My kids both, in addition to all the insanity that went on this weekend, they both like caught colds and are like sniffly and coughing and disgusting, and I don't like to be out of these when that's going around. So I'm using my oils to support me, of course, but also supplementing is so important. So really excited about this being back in my life and my day-to-day. And I went to the doTERRA convention that was in Houston, the convention tour, and I really loved how one of the doTERRA employees described it. They were saying, you know, your oils can do so much for you, but if you don't have a good baseline of health, like they can't be total miracle workers all the time. So, you know, that health pyramid that Dr. Laura always talks about, you know, sleep and eating well and exercising well, taking your supplements, managing your stress, all that stuff, like that is so important in creating a baseline so that our body can use the oils well, you know what I'm saying? So anyway, excited those are back. So along the same lines are the supplements that I get for my girls. I got them together, and I think it was, if you get this as a pack, you can choose some of the supplements for a discount, which is so awesome. So I always try to take advantage of that. And one of them was the pair of the Omega and the A to Z Kid Chewable Vitamin. These are great. I think this is watermelon. Yes, watermelon flavor, and this is wild orange flavor. They both have oils in them. They're both really high quality supplements, and I am a crazy label reader when it comes to kid vitamins, because why would you pay for like synthetic junky stuff? I want like the good stuff for my kids. So I switched over to these just to kind of try them out. I was really impressed with all the stuff on the label, you know, like the folate and the cognitive blend, and they've even got a superfood blend in here. It's just a lot of high quality vitamins. So kind of upgraded my kid vitamins to this, and they love it. The only thing that they've said about the A to Z is it's a little granular. So what I do is I have them take the chewable. They love the fish oil, it's wild orange, and then I kind of bribe them with the PB Assist because they're obsessed with it. It is a little pixie stick, and usually all over my house there will be like an empty tube littered somewhere because they love them, they beg for them. So the little probiotic powder, and they take it like a pixie stick. So I love that, supporting their gut health, so important. So those are kind of some staples. I also got, let's see. I also got the clove. Guys, I did not know it was gonna be the full-size clove. What? I'm so excited. You know, sometimes it'll be the 5 milliliter for the 125 PV special. This is awesome. This is the full 15 milliliter size. Awesome. I can't wait to make diffuser blends with clove and On Guard. And the ginger that I snagged last month is gonna be so good. Clove is great for teething. Also like a mouthwash, or adding it to toothpaste. It's really great for oral stuff. And my kids are really, they're kind of past the teething stage, but I say that and I think there might be a set of molars coming for my older girl. I need to look that up. But anyway, you can roll it and put it along their jawline. And for tiny babies, you can do that as well. I've heard some people will do a super, super, super diluted clove on gums, but I feel like that's kind of like a do as you will sort of a thing, because you don't want the numbness down the throat. So, you know, kind of try it out on yourself maybe before you give it to a tiny baby. But clove is awesome. I can't wait to cook with it, make some chai lattes, maybe some golden turmeric lattes, things like that, and then diffusing it. This is gonna be so good for this time of year. And then, yeah, I did. Look what I got. I am so pumped. This is the clutch and the beautiful blend. I'm gonna open the clutch first. Oh my gosh, I only got 2 of these and I feel like I should have ordered all 4. I am so pumped about this. I got one as a gift and one for myself, and I'm not gonna say who the gift is because she might, I feel like maybe she's in this group. Anyway, look how cute this is. I love it. So it's kind of soft, but it's definitely a hard case. Let's see. Oh man, can y'all see that? I'm sorry, the light is kind of funny. Look at these pretty, they're kind of silver. They look purple in this light, but these are definitely like a graphite color, and this is like a really pretty maroon cranberry color. So places for credit cards, debit cards, some cash, and oils. I'm so excited about this. Oh man, and look, the cute little O. This is the best thing ever. I'm gonna go change all my credit cards immediately. And then it comes with the beautiful blend. How many of you guys snagged this special? Did any of you guys get it? Did y'all get the clutch before it went out? I have not been keeping tabs on what is still available, but I know the clutch sold out in like, I don't know, it sold out by 2 p.m. And so did the mini soaps, the spa soaps. Okay, here's the beautiful blend, the convention blend. I'm so excited to smell it. Ooh, it's got the pretty metal roller bottle, kind of like the, oh wow, that is really interesting. That doesn't smell like anything I have. That's nice. Ooh, I'm really picking up the lime and maybe the bergamot in that. That's awesome. Yeah, it's lime, osmanthus, which I love. That's in the Console Emotion blend, which is one of my very favorite blends I don't like ever. It's bergamot and then it's frankincense. Ooh, that's really good. Just gonna, I really like it. Okay, you guys, this blend, awesome. I hope y'all snagged some of the awesome specials. I really wanted everything, but you know, budget. Couldn't get everything ever. If any of you guys get the whale diffuser, please post a video because I totally want to see that one in action. And I forgot, at the bottom of my box is the On Guard hand spray. So I make my own hand spray, and I have some in like a little aluminum bottle, but I'm having problems like getting the bottles all clogged. So I thought, well, what better way to, you know, represent doTERRA than have this, because I'm always spraying my kids' hands with my DIY On Guard spray. So having this, I feel, is going to be easier to like have a conversation with other moms about doTERRA. So I love this. I'm so excited to use this. And honestly, I was super creeped out about using On Guard instead of an alcohol-based hand sanitizer when I first heard of it, because I thought there's no way that that's really killing germs. And then all of the amazing education that I saw Dr. Laura post from Convention about how they compared this to a bunch of different cleaners in a petri dish, and how this not only killed the germs and gunky stuff, but it inhibited growth for, I think it was 3 days or something like that. So spraying this on my kids' hands, spraying it on surfaces, you know, like at the grocery store, the handles on the grocery cart, we're still in the grocery cart riding phase. So spraying those surfaces is amazing. So we do have On Guard cleaner, but I just really wanted to snag this, and it was so affordable. I can't remember if it's $8.60 or $6.50, something like that. Oh man, so excited to use this. And this I'm just gonna keep in my purse and share with all the mama friends at the playground and school and all that good stuff, just to kind of show them like this is legit and amazing. And I feel like sometimes having a little branded bottle looks a little bit more legit as far as germs are concerned than my little DIY bottle. But yeah, that was everything in my kit. This was so long-winded because I'm so excited about everything. I can't wait to see what you guys got this month too. Take care, bye.